Hey internet, so I made this LinkedList snake game. Here's the instructions. So the idea is to play snake, so you eat the letters and it'll grow the tail. So I guess the win condition is keep growing your tail until you lose, or until you get bored and quit the game. So other lose conditions is when you hit the boundaries. So if you hit the left, right, top and bottom boundaries, you'll get a game over screen. As you can see, hit the boundary wall. Okay, so I guess I can prove to you in all directions. So we've got top, right working, bottom, and then we've got left as well. Okay, other lose conditions is when it eats its tail. So let me just grow the tail for a little bit. And I think I need at least 6 letters. Ooh, that L letter is gonna be pretty tough to get. Okay, cool. So we'll talk about the numbers in a bit. Okay, that V is going to be a little bit tough. Okay, I should have enough letters to eat the tail. So a lose condition, or another lose condition, is that if I eat the tail, I lose, as you can see. Okay, so now we can talk about the pink / magenta / purple numbers. So when we collide into those numbers, the corresponding number references the position of the letter of the tail. So I'll just grow the tail for a little bit. That W is going to be pretty tough to get. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me just grow the tail just a little bit more. Okay, so we've got enough the tail length. So as you can see, we got the number 1, so that will eat or delete the letter A because it is in the first position of the tail. Okay, so let me go and collide with number 1. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, second time, as you can see, letter A was deleted. So what happens if you run into a number that is higher than your tail? Then the last letter will be eaten. So for example, 7 is greater than my 4 letters, so W will be eaten, or 8, as you can see. So this is how this version of the snake game works. So it's snake game with a twist. This was made for my data structures and algorithms paper / course. So the objective for this game was to actually create a linked list and nodes. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Until next time. Oh, before you leave, if you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. See ya.